We guide you through how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone so you can make fast, secure, and contactless payments. So, the first thing you need to do is to open your wallet app on your iPhone, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Choose debit or credit card and either scan your card using the camera or enter the details manually. Follow the on screen instructions to verify your card through your bank. This may include a one-time code sent via text or email. Once verified, your card is ready to use. To pay in stores, simply double-click the side button if your iPhone has Face ID, then glance at your screen to authenticate or use Touch ID if your device has a home button. Hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done and check mark on the display. For online or in-app purchases, select Apple Pay at checkout. Review your payment details, then confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also set a default card by going to Settings, tapping Wallet and Apple Pay, and choosing Default Card so it automatically uses your preferred payment method. If you want to remove a card, open Wallet, tap the card, select the three dots, and choose Remove Card. Apple Pay keeps your transactions private by using device specific number instead of sharing your actual card details, adding an extra layer of security.